Okay, so you all know who I am, so let's see if we can make this real quick. At San Diego Comic-Con, Mattel has released the official images of the snake lair. I am showing you from Toy Arc's website. Hopefully they won't copyright strike me for using it since I'm giving them full credit. And not just stealing the pictures from them. And this should fall under fair use because I'm discussing the article. So my first opinion on the crowdfunded snake lair that is coming up in August is simply this. Yeah, so as you can see on the screen, this is kind of the overview picture right here. We'll bop down here for a moment to take a better look at it. Here's the close-up. While we've got this here, I would like to remind you what it actually looked like in the vote. This is the snake lair in the vote. It is actually pretty elegant looking and honestly really cool. They have some nice Medusa and details and everything, male and female there when you get right down to it. And it looks really cool. Like, we don't see what the other side looks like. You know, we got the dungeon, we got like a trap door and everything, and stocks at the top. That's a unique item for Masters of the Universe right there. Not sure how practical it is with the Origins figures, but you know, that's something they could work on. And we go from this back to this image here. Ugh. Why, Mattel? Inside of it looks like this. We have Lady Slither's throne room. We got like this whole computerized area here. Blaster there, blaster there. Whoopsie, didn't mean to do that. What happened? Iron Maiden. And it looks like it's actually almost as big as the Eternian play set, which does not bode well for the pricing, let's be perfectly honest. That being said, according to the article from Toy Arc, the dimensions are going to be 34 by 27 by 31, scaled for Origins figures. From the throne room, Lady Slither can plan her next moves. We got blaster at the top and a blaster hidden in the snake head. We saw those. A weapons rack because we don't have enough freaking weapons racks. Working elevator that's manually working. The same ladder that comes with everything else apparently. Capture devices, aka shackles. An Iron Maiden to throw people into. I'm going to guess though it probably doesn't have a spiked inside. The first ever rattle trap vehicle, which is fully detachable from the docking station on the thing. That would be that mechanical snake thing that looks more like a graboid than a snake. That's a Tremors reference for you, those of you who don't know. The crowdfunding will start on August 12th. And if they make it to the 6,000 backers within 2 weeks, you get the early backer bonus of a skeletal Lady Slither figure, which I'm not sure what that's for. However, they did learn their lesson from the last time and put down that it would be included for all backers, not just the early ones. And in case you were wondering, again, thanks to Toy Arc, we see what the skeletal Lady Slither looks like. She does look kind of awful. Like, I mean, I know she's meant to look it. Like, it's a new chest sculpt here. It's kind of interesting because they got, like, ribs on the outside here. Is it desiccated is the word when somebody's dried out? Corpse is dried out or whatever? Well, that's what they've done here on the torso, so I'm giving them credit. They are creating a new torso for it and stuff. And then this weird-ass skull head that they got there. Not too impressed with that look. I would like to know what the story behind this is, but that is if they get the 6,000 in the first 2 weeks. The problem is, this is what the snake lair looks like. This thing here is the Rattletrap Graboid vehicle. And although some of these things, like the snake wraparound, would be fine to me, it's too busy. And it kind of like, it looks like if Liberace was given this place and decided to snake it up, you know? So that's my general opinion of this. I am definitely a fool because I will probably still back this, assuming it's not a ridiculous price. I think the guys from Toy Habits were thinking around 250 for some reason. But I'm telling you right now, this looks like it's almost as big as the Eternium playset, and it's got a detachable vehicle. I think we'll be lucky if it's only 200 to 250. I'm going to take a wild guess around 350 to 400 right now. And the question is, will they add additional tiers after this whole thing? Because none of that's listed. And they've got a few other Snake characters that they could do if they wanted to. But anyway, that's my thoughts on this one. Let me know what you think. Are you willing to take the chance on the Snake Lair when it comes out? Please let me know. As always, peace and love.